Hey everybody, it is Wool Wednesday. This is Doreen from Privies and Prims, and we're doing hashtag Wool Wednesday. It's actually Sunday when I'm filming this, and I'm going to post it on Wednesday. But I am in my little tiny camper, as you can see what's behind me here, and I am making wool acorns. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So I'm going to put the camera aiming down onto my bed here in the camper, and I'm going to show you how I do these wool acorns. So I will see you after the video. Okay, I just have a wool circle, and this is about 1.5 inches across, maybe 1.5 to 2 inches, depending on how big you want your acorns to be. So I am stitching, just gathering around here. I'm just doing a running stitch. I have a knot at the end of my thread. It's a cotton thread. So as I go around, it's just going to actually form into a little ball. I'll show you here. So you can see the thread. You just do that running stitch, and then as you pull it, it turns into a little ball. I'm just going to finish going around. You kind of want to get close to the edge, maybe 1/8 an inch. And then, see, I have like a little pocket there, a little ball. So I'm going to take some fiberfill, just a little bit, and I'm going to fill it inside there. So for this, because we're camping, we got a pillow at a thrift store for 50 cents because I didn't have fiberfill with me. And then we just cut the pillow open. So imagine, here's the pillow. Imagine how much acorns you can get out of that for 50 cents. Just another way to save money. Doesn't matter how ugly the pillow is, you're going to cut it up. All right, so then I just pull my thread to close that up. Now the way I'm going to secure it closed is I'm going to go back and just go through these folds here around the top and pull it, and that just gives it a little extra security there. Not that it really needs it because we're going to glue it, but just the way I like to do it. Okay, now it's closed up. I'm going to go across the top and put a knot and another knot. And it's just like pearl cotton I'm using. All right, so if it's not a perfect shape, you can stick your needle in there and just kind of manipulate a little bit, get that fiberfill everywhere around it. So then I have an acorn cap. These are really deep ones. I also have some, you see, that are like this, but I want to do something different with those. I think I'm going to do more wool felting with those, wet felting. So I have this here, and you can see it fits in there. That one might be a little, that cap I think is a little too big for that. So I'm going to try a smaller one, and that one there, you see the wool more. So all I'm going to do is take my handy dandy glue gun and stick some hot glue in there. Yeah, I brought all this with me camping because I planned to do this craft while I was camping. And then you just stick a little wool in there and you have an acorn. So it's not like the perfect shape of an acorn because an acorn is more oblong and this is more round, which is why I also want to try some wet felting ones to try to make the oblong ones. But I think these are super cute. You can see how they turned out. I really like them. All different colors. You can do, you know, earthy colors, bright colors, whatever your choice is. I wanted the more primitive earthy colors because this is the colors that I like. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Give it a try. If you have any questions, email me priviesandprims@yahoo.com, or you can message me on Instagram at that one actually looks good shape. You can message me on Instagram, DoreenBrannon.priviesandprims, and Brannon is Brannan. So go find yourself some acorn caps. Now's the time of year. Okay, I hope you enjoy that and you get to make some of your own. Now's the perfect time of year to go out and scour the countryside and look for some acorn caps. I have about 200 of them, and I found some really large ones at a campground last weekend. So that's what I'm making mine with. And enjoy, have fun. Don't forget the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. We've got lots more to come. See you next time. Bye.